Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shoykot and you are watching Digital Builder Marketing Service. So if you are planning to create a website or blog, then three words you will hear again and again: domain, hosting and server. So many beginners feel confused here. Don't worry, in this video I will explain everything in very simple language with real life example. So you will never forget this concept. So let's start. So first we will talk about domain. So what is domain? Domain is a human-friendly address for your website. It helps people to find your website on the internet. Imagine internet is a huge area and without an address, people can't find your house. So a domain works like a address for your website. For an example, you open a shop. Your shop has a name, says Sarkar Garments. So when customer wants to visit your shop, what they will do? They'll look on your board. So this is Sarkar's Garments. Similarly, a domain name like sarkargarments.com. Without a domain, nobody can find your site easily because computer understand number, not words. You may know computer only understand 0 and on. So behind the name, there have a address which is called IP address. So full form of IP address is Internet Protocol Address. Simple. So now we will talk about why do you need a domain. So I will tell you before that computer understand IP address like on92.0.2.on like this. This is example. This is how look like a IP address. But human cannot find the long number. Suppose which is most easier to remember a name. If I tell you that visit sarkargarments.com, or if I tell you that visit on92.0.2.on. So this is complicated. Means you cannot remember a large number. So basically domains were created to make the internet easy. You just imagine that your shop in a big market and customer would not remember a long code like on92.0.2.01, but they can remember the name, that what is your shop name. You just note this point that domain is only a name. It does not store file. You have buy it yearly. So there have a multiple place where you can buy a domain like BigRock, Hostinger, GoDaddy, Google. So next we will talk about, here you can see google.com. So Google is a second level domain called SLD, and .com is top level domain. So top level domain like .com means commercial, .in means indicate a country, India, UK means United Kingdom, .uk, .org that means organization, .net means network. And domain are not only a address, they are represent your brand like apple.com, google.com, amazon.in, flipkart.com. Okay, so how do you buy a domain? You just simply type in your search bar buy domain. So here you can see lot of name here: GoDaddy, Hostinger, Namecheap, BigRock. Okay, so I will click BigRock, and here you will type the name, that Sarkar Garments, and hit enter. So sarkargarments.com, it is available. Also available, if you scroll down, then you can see sarkargarments.net, .in, .online, .co.in, sarkargarments.co.in. So here is the price. So .co.in, that indicate that co means company or business, in is indicate India, means Indian business. Okay, so this is how you can buy a domain. You just search here any type of name, if you whatever name you want to search, like digital Shoykot. Hit enter. So you can see digitalshoykot.com is unavailable. Means it is not available for purchase. So someone hold this domain or use this domain. You can see .com is unavailable, but instead of .co, .in is available, .net is available, .org is available. Okay, so this is how you can search domain name here, and there are multiple options. Like if I click GoDaddy, so here you can search prodigital.com, hit enter. So you can see prodigital.com already purchased. If you want to buy it, then you have to pay 16,999 rupees. Also, GoDaddy is showing you a alternative name. If you want, you can choose the name also. Here is prodigitalco.com. So this is available. So you can buy it here also. So this is how you can buy a domain. So now we will talk about domain and URL. So domain means here you can see godaddy.com. This is called domain, and enter this thing which I selected. You can see here in the screen. This is called URL. You imagine that if you want your shop.com /about -us. So this is your domain name, yourshop.com. This is your domain name and about us. So in total in this thing is called URL. So now you can understand what is domain and what is URL. Domain means only your business name.com.in, and URL is https your domain name.com. So this is called URL. So now we will talk about hosting. So what is hosting? Hosting is basically a place where your website files are stored. Like in a shop, there have a storeroom where products are kept. That is called hosting. So in hosting means what is stored in hosting in website. So like images, videos, pages, product details, contents, so on. So it is everything inside the hosting. Without a hosting, your domain is useless. You understand what I'm trying to say? Means if you have no hosting, then your shop name or your business name or your domain is useless. So hosting store your website data. You just keep in mind only this thing. Hosting stores your website data. Number 2, hosting is rented monthly or yearly. And number 3, different type of hostings are available. So this is the core concept. And the third one is server. So server is a powerful computer that runs 24/7 and keeps your website online. Like I will explain you in simple way. Suppose the building where your shop is located. You just imagine a mall. So there are many stores, and many stores like website, and each store has a own space that is called hosting, and the whole building is server. So server is a machine. Hosting lives on a server. You just keep in mind those things, that server is a machine. Hosting lives on a server. Server connect to your website to the internet. And one interesting fact I will tell you, that you do not need to manage server directly yourself, because the hosting company manage it from themselves. So then the question is coming that do I need all three? Yes, domain, hosting, server, you need all three things. But the interesting fact is server is provided by hosting company. So in simple way, domain means your website name, hosting means space for website file, and server a computer that runs website 24/7. So don't worry, in next video I will tell you that how to create a domain, a hosting, and install the WordPress. So what I am trying to say, that in this video I just give you a basic and simple beginner's explanation about domain, hosting, and server, so you can understand the basic concept. So thank you for watching. If you think that this video help you a little bit, then please like this video and subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching. Have a nice day.